Hey guys, it's me, Alyssa101, and today I'm gonna make a video about how to make um, packaging for your squishy, for your paper squishy. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So the things you will be needing are this kind. You need a plastic bag. But a plastic bag that tapes like this. So I have, I made this. So there's two squishes in it because it was too big. So here there's tape on it, but you can use a normal clear bag, and if you have double-sided tape, but I don't, so I use this kind. So yeah, and let's get started. Okay, so you will be needing that. You will be needing scissors, some sellotape, and a squishy. I like this squishy a lot, so that's why I'm making a packaging for it. So let's get on to the making. So first you need to cut out a piece from the plastic bag. So I have cut out that. So this is, and there's two openings. So yeah. So then you need to tape the bottom. So I'm done taping the bottom. So now you're gonna tape the side. First you need to open this so you don't tape it with it. So I get it like this, and this is my table. I don't know. So I get it like this. I stick it onto my I stick it onto my table, and then then I take a piece from the sellotape and I just put it on, and I tape, and then I get it so then I fold it, and that's it. So yeah. So now you have this opening. So now you're just gonna put this squishy in. I was thinking it doesn't fit, but it does. Okay. And now that's it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, smash that like button, and I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!